Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, vlogs, makeup, skincare, real people and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today I'm gonna do my skincare video. So I had already pre-recorded this video, but yeah, I had a little wardrobe malfunction, so therefore I had to record it again because I kept staring at it when I was editing it. So I knew y'all was gonna keep staring at it. So I was like, you know what, just go on and record the video again. So if you are new here to my weekly fragrance trays, I normally pick a fragrance from each one of the shelves. Here I have 11 shelves, which is turning into 12, but I have 11 shelves and I usually pick out 3 samples. If you watched my last vlog, y'all know I had a lot of fragrance PR. So this time I'm not going to pick out samples. I'm just going to pick 14 fragrances. So let's go ahead and do the recap of last week. So here is last week's tray. And I know y'all have noticed that my trays are really becoming like more bi-weekly because I really be wanting to sit with the fragrance, wear each one on its own, layer it with stuff on the tray. Like I really be trying to get my, you know, wears in because I don't know when the next time I will have these back on the tray. So I really be trying to love on my fragrances when they are on the tray. So let's do our quick little recap. We have some samples in the bag. Let's see, did I use these? Okay, so I did use one of them. This one is by Jabot and this is Capri de Sophie. This was nice, feminine, girly, fruity, a little bit floral, but mostly fruity, perfect for hot weather and summertime and all of that. I used this whole thing when I wore it. I actually wore it to bed. It had moderate to low longevity and projection, so it was cute, but it's not something I really like the smell of it, but the performance didn't give me the feels. Ooh, this one is by M. Micallef. This is Eden Falls, and I sprayed it on my hand, and it's definitely like a summertime masculine scent. So I'm gonna give this to Dad. I think he would really like this. This would smell nice, clean, fresh, a little aquatic. It smelled really good, but definitely more for a man, especially in this weather, like perfect summertime vibes for a man. And then this one is the Rose Ishtar by Raina J, and I actually didn't wear this, so I really can't comment on that. Let's start with Eatin' Juicy Apple. So Eatin' Juicy Apple, I enjoyed it. I wore it to bed. I layered it with Rouge Smoking, and it was a good time. It's hot and it's perfect. It's easy to grab. It's a nice fragrance to layer when you want to add some fruitiness, the sweetness, and all of that. So I enjoyed Eatin' Juicy Apple. I finally got a chance to wear Gossip Night, y'all. This smelled so good. It was nice, creamy peach. I really enjoyed it. It was moderate performance as far as like the projection, but it was long lasting. It is long lasting. It's just not a beast mode fragrance. I didn't mind that. I wore it on a day where it wasn't too hot, so the creaminess didn't, you know, bother me. I don't think it would bother anybody, but the like I said, the performance as far as projection is moderate, but it really was long lasting. I smelled it still on my clothes when I went to do the laundry. So yes. This is Splendor Absolute by Navitus. This smells like a more citrusy Rosendo kind of number 5. It has that kind of rubbery note in it, which I personally enjoy. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I did enjoy it. I feel like the performance it's moderate. It's moderate to low. It's not loud or beast mode or as long lasting as some other Navitus fragrances that I have. I did enjoy it. I would say moderate, though moderate in a good way, not moderate in a bad way. Like it lasted pretty much most of the day, and I did enjoy it when I wore it. This is Al Harmain Ultraviolet, Amber Oud Ultraviolet, y'all. I love this. I love it. I told y'all that before, and I really enjoyed this. This is a sweet white floral, real sweet, beast mode, long lasting, on you all day and tomorrow. Like I really enjoyed this. I wore this a couple times because it's just that girl. It got compliments. I got 2 compliments when I wore this on one day, and yeah, it was, girl, I was loving this. It was definitely a fave of the week. If you like Deja Vu White Flower, you would like this. Then I wore God of Fire. God of Fire is that mango, kind of unisex mango scent, and it smells so good. It definitely has good performance as far as longevity, pretty good projection, and yeah, it just was on me all day, and it smelled so good. So if you like a mango, but more of a like somewhat unisex type of mango, a little bit of spicy like mango. I don't know if it's ginger in here, so it's not like a warm spice. It's more like maybe ginger or something like that. But yeah, that was good. I wore rouge smoking to bed. I layered it with Eating Juicy Apple, and that was enjoyable. I really like rouge smoking, but it's like I only wear it to bed, so it's like I don't have to have it. That's why I was saying in the last video, like, it can go, but I do enjoy it when I wear it. It's that cherry coke float. So that's how it smells to me. A little marshmallowy, sweet, creamy, but you still get that fizzy kind of cherry cola vibe with that. Nothing But Sea and Sky. Loved wearing this to bed. That's really what I mostly wear it for. I have worn it out in the summer. It's perfect for that. This is it's a creamy sandalwood, kind of Your Skin But Better, but it also has like a cold nature to it, and I enjoy wearing it every time I wear it. Perfect for hot days, perfect for bed. Loved it. This is Musk Therapy by Initio. So a lot of us know what this smells like. This is citrus and musk. I feel like this is not a beast mode fragrance. It does have a pretty good sillage though, but it's not a beast mode fragrance. It's not filling up the room. It is more around you, but it is pretty long lasting. So I will say that I enjoy wearing this in the heat. It performs the best in the heat, and I've worn it to bed. I've worn it out. Like, I just enjoy it because it's just clean, fresh, easy reach. You can layer it with other things, so love that. I wore a Peregrina. This is so pretty, y'all. It's like so pretty and feminine, girly, but nope, not girly, womanly. Definitely like a nice, elegant, pretty scent. I feel like you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can layer it with other things. It's caramel in here, so it just really smells really good, easy to wear. You can, like I said, layer with other stuff. Enjoyed that. This is my scent of the day, which is Oud Jaune Intense, and this is a nice sweet yellow floral. Like, I love it. You can smell the yellow florals, the frangipani or the ylang ylang. It might have both, I don't know, but it's sweet, slightly a little creamy, but not really, but definitely like a sweet yellow floral. Love it. And then Blue Turquoise by Armani. This actually surprised me. It's definitely not the first time I've worn it, but the longevity on it was better than it used to be. This is like a coconut vanilla kind of smell, but it does have some spice to it. It could be unisex because it does have like a lot of pepper. So, and I feel like the pepper stays throughout the fragrance. So I feel like the performance on it was better as far as longevity. It's not a beast mode, it's not screaming, but it does have a decent performance as far as longevity. And it has a pretty good sillage too. Like, yes, like you walking by somebody, you can they'll smell this on you, so that is nice. If I had to pick my top faves from this tray, I'm gonna try to start doing that when I do the recaps. I would say Ultraviolet was definitely one of my faves. A beautiful sweet thick floral. I would say Musk Therapy was one of my faves because it was just such an easy reach. I wore it so many times because it's just clean, fresh, citrus, musk, soft musk. And then the third one I would say was Godifier. I really enjoyed wearing this. I hadn't worn it in a really long time, and it was just that nice mango, but a little, you know, a little spicy type of mango, like a turned up type of mango, not creamy and sweet and thick and all of that, just a different type of mango, and the performance is good. So let's pick out our fragrances for this week.
So like I said, I already recorded this video, so the fragrances are already on the tray, but I'm kind of liking this little style right here. Okay, so I think I want to do this again next time we do the tray. But yeah, so everything's already over there, so let me show y'all what I got. First is Bohemian Lime by Goldfield and Banks. So this is definitely giving you like a lime, but it's a unisex lime. It's giving kind of like a clean, fresh summertime lime cologne, if that makes sense. So I really enjoy this. I can't wait to wear it. So like I said, I've already been using this tray because I had to re-record this video, but Flower Bed by Finery is on the tray. I've already worn this to bed. I'll give y'all the tea in the recap next week. But Flower Bed, if you like Chanel Chance Otandra, then you would like this one too. Like, this would be your type of vibe. It's floral, it's a little fruity, and it's definitely giving Chanel Otandra. So that is on the tray for a good bedtime scent. And of course you can wear it out and about too, like for running errands. It's really pretty, girly, feminine, and yeah, we're putting that on the tray this week. Summertime Boss Lady Vibes
create events for her. Like, girl, I have not worn this in a while. This is the time to wear it. Now, like I said, it's scorching hot outside, so I'm not gonna need a lot of this, even though I'm gonna spray a lot anyway. Like, let's just be serious. Like, let's be FFR, okay? Like, for real. But at the same time, like, you really don't need a lot of this. Some women say this leans masculine, where I can see where you say, you know, you feel that way, and that's fine. But for me, it's like bossy grown woman, and she know what she wants. She's got her shit together, and you just can't tell her nothing. But she smells hella good. Like, excuse me, ma'am, who are you and what do you do? Yeah, that's what she gives. So yep, can't wait to wear it. Then we have Herba Gold. So if you watched my vlog where I talked about this, it does definitely give Herba Pure vibes. I feel like you still have to like Herba Pure to like this. Like, I don't feel like some people were saying like, oh, if you didn't like Herba Pure, you might like this. I don't know. It's definitely still giving Herba Pure, but I will say that it is less musky, less sharp, a little smoother. So that might be why they're saying that. So I haven't worn it yet, but that's what I got just off like the first spray. So of course I'll give y'all the tea in the recap. Luby Do by Christian Louboutin, y'all. This is one of my favorite summer scents. I absolutely love wearing this. Now it does need the heat because it's like a soft fruity scent. So it's strawberries, it's rose, and like a little cedar. So those are the only notes that they give. Of course there's more stuff in here, but really that's what you get from this fragrance. I love the bottle, and putting this on your body in the heat, like the 90 degrees, that is perfect for this fragrance. And it's beautiful. It's not super beast mode, and it's I wouldn't say it lasts 10 hours, but I feel like when you spray like I spray and do your body care and you're moisturized and the heat is pumping, girl, you gonna get your wear out of this. Madison Avenue. So I didn't get to wear her in the spring, so I had to pull her out for the summer because she does it all. She can definitely hang with the summertime scents. This is pretty feminine, a little green apple, but also like kind of powdery. You definitely get the patchouli in here to give you a little not like kind of grassiness, a little greenness, but it's like the perfect blend of all of that. I feel like I get fruity, I get powdery, and I get a little greenness. So I love Madison Avenue, and I already wore it, y'all, but I'll wait till the recap to tell y'all too. Kind Intentions by Navitus, y'all. This is the perfect time to wear this. This is such a pretty summer vanilla. So you know how like there's a difference between vanillas and summer vanillas. Like, summer vanillas are the perfect amount of sweetness and vanilla. It's not too heavy, not too sweet, not too cloying, not doing too much. It's not cakes and cookies and all pound cake and all that. It's not that. It's just like a nice, smooth, light, airy vanilla. And the seaweed in here, perfect touch. I really enjoyed this last summer, and I'm so excited to wear it again this summer. I feel like if you like fragrances like Gypsy Water, you would absolutely love this, but this is hands down better than Gypsy Water. Like, period, pointblank.com, .org, .gov, .edu, like whatever. It is. I say what I said. Meliora. So this is actually my scent of the day, and Meliora definitely thrives in the heat. This is perfect. Black currant, sweetness, girly, feminine, lightweight, a little airy. It's just perfect for the heat. Now it definitely needs the heat to thrive, so you can smell it and all of the things, and I feel like it gives more longevity in the heat. But yeah, this is my scent of the day. As y'all see, I'm loving it. I'm just loving. I love Meliora, and this is her time to shine. This is a Trap Red by Louis Vuitton, and this is another one that needs the heat to thrive. But when I tell you, she smells so good in the summertime, like so good. Now this one isn't a beast mode fragrance, but it does have a nice longevity. I definitely recommend you overspray with this, but it just smells so good. It smells like roses. It is some cacao in here, but I really don't get that, but I kind of know it's in there because it gives it a bit of a twist, a very slight dry sweetness to it. It's got to be some kind of fruitiness in here because this is so good. I wonder if lychee or something like that is in here, but this is perfect for the hot weather. And girl, well, every time I wear this, I do get compliments, but I think it's because I wear it when it's extremely hot like this. Under the Lemon Trees by Replica, y'all. If you don't never wear this no other time, wear it in the summer on a hot day. That lemony just citrusy tartness is just gonna cool you down. It's gonna make you feel more refreshed, clean. It's just gonna give you that, you know, more cool down feel. Now it does have a slight woodiness to it. I feel like you do get that, but it balances it out perfectly. Like, so it's not giving lemon cleaner, lemon, you know, pine sol, or none of that. And that's what I love, because a lot of lemons tend to turn like that on a lot of us, but I feel like this one does not. 103 by Bon Parfumer. I can say that I feel like this is an underrated house. I knew when I had 603 that was good, but now that I have more of these, I'm like, oh yeah, this is an underrated house. Now this one is 103, and this one is giving tiare flowers, tropical kind of frangipani type of feel. I feel like if you like Fleur de Ombre by EPC, you like Coco Utopia Coco by Kayali, you like Soleil Blanc, like that type of feel, then you would like this. I can't wait to wear it, because as soon as I take the top off, like, I can smell it. I feel like the longevity and projection on this is going to be great, but I don't know yet. So of course you will find out the real in the recap next time. Nectarine Blossom and Honey by Jo Malone. Girl, now I done told y'all every time I wear this in the summertime that this is a necessary must-have summer fruity fragrance. The nectarine, the peach, the plum, they're giving. Now there are some green notes in here that may come off to some people's nose, but for me, I don't really get the green notes. I really don't, and I'm glad I don't, because if that's in there, well, I know it's in there, but like if it gives it like the perfect balance, you know. This isn't too sweet. It's definitely fruity, but it's not too sweet. It's definitely giving like a watery, juicy vibe, so that this is something you can wear in the heat and it's not going to be too cloying. Love this down. I have the body cream, and when I put those two together, longevity is where it needs to be. Apple Brandy on the Rocks. I told y'all several times, this is my summertime Angel's Share. It's definitely not as sweet as Angel's Share, but you get that same vibe, more on a like more summertime feel. This is a unisex scent. I love this down. This is something I would wear on a summer night, date night, something like that. I can layer this with other things, but this is nice. Like, I don't know why people don't speak about this one just as much as they speak about Angel's Share. Now don't get me wrong, Angel's Share is that girl. She's the icon. She is the moment. But in the summertime, you still want that feel, you can definitely put this on, because I would not be wearing Angel Share in the summertime. Like, you are reaching, honey, if you do that, and you probably smothering yourself to death. But this right here in the summertime, yes, you get that brandy, you definitely get that kind of, you know, liqueur vibe, but it's got just the right amount of sweetness, airiness, crispness from the apple, and it's just light, kind of watery. Girl, this is bomb. I love it. Last but certainly not least is this girl Tangerine Boy. I said this girl Tangerine Boy. You heard what I said. I said what I said. This is that juicy, just citrusy, nice tangerine. It's a very simple scent. It's not complex. It's not doing the most. It's giving you tangerine. Slight woodiness in the bag. I think it's like maybe really not even woodiness. It's more like an oak moss, a little bit of amber. But baby, it's tangerine, and it really gives me that cooled off, refreshed feel when I wear it. Like I said, I'm probably gonna finish it this summer. I probably won't finish it this tray, but I can see me like wearing it while it's on the tray and layering it with other things throughout the summer. And I would absolutely repurchase this. Like, yeah, I need more Fleur fragrances. I think it's a couple more I want. I think it's a new one that I want. I want Strawberry Letter. Y'all give me the tea on Strawberry Letter, because I don't know if I saw any reviews on Strawberry Letter. And what's the other one I think I want? Oh, Somebody Would, because I want me a good fig. But yeah, I need to get more into Fleur fragrances, because this Tangerine Boy is my jam in the summer. So those are the fragrances for the week. Next time we'll do it, y'all will get to see me actually pulling them off the shelf and putting them on the tray, because I did kind of like this little style, you know what I'm saying? And I know y'all don't get to see my face much when I do the perfume trays, because it's just easier to do it, you know. I don't gotta get done up or whatever. But since I was getting ready to go somewhere anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and do it this way. So yeah, since I had the little wardrobe malfunction, y'all didn't get to see me pull them off the tray, but next time we do it, we'll put them off the tray with me, girl. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.